Hi everyone, welcome back to this YouTube channel. Children's with Lady T is your sister, your friend, is your girl. If this is your first time or you just get post for YouTube or you dey watch for church, you never subscribe, please hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. Thank you so much for coming around again and God bless you. So this guy, what I say for this picture, so the family that they look for this guy, they say anybody when fee see this guy, they'll put the person on monthly salary. This one not be joke, this one not for real. The family that they look for this guy, and they don't spend a lot when they think they look for this guy. Now they say okay, if they see on social media, come see put a picture for social media so that anybody when feel see him, they will give the person what the person wants, or they will put the person on monthly allowance. And the senior brother is saying that the task when his mama give him before he die, say take care of your younger ones. How this story take happen? Be say this our brother, he saying they Nigeria with him mama, their papa no go area, nowhere to find their papa. Their mama they suffer, they take care of them. He say he come strong go, he come enter South Africa 2013. Now he enter South Africa. He say and God come bless him 2014. He come begin they make money. Now he come tell him mama say this guy face me I face you when you dey pack from face me I face you, face me I face you. He go just build house for you so that you just stay. Say so he come build house for him mama. He say so as he build the house, he come they build the house. He say when he reach time to roof the house, now him mama come call him. Him mama come tell him say if you plant tree, it good make you water the tree so that it will get leaf. When the you not come feed the water the tree, the leaf go dead there. When we say it go help the tree, even if say they not water am. He say no. He come ask him mama say mama, what is this parable mean? Then mama come tell and say go sleep over this parable when I tell you so. Then if you wake up or the next day you come back, you say come go sleep over it. He no rest. He come the tick and say now he come go meet him mama. He come say mama, he never see understand that parable. Then mama come tell and say what you use and me say you dey build us fine. You need to help your brothers. He says there be 3 boys, 3 girls, 6 children. You need to help your younger ones, your brothers. So they say the girls when they not to get problem, they go marry, their husband will take care of them. But the boys when they now you be senior, you need to help them, assist them, let them grow. Because only one person not fit carry family. Because if only one person reach for family, that house now still poverty go worry them. And that one person when reach for family, body go down. He says so you need to raise your brothers, your younger ones, so that they will physically stand on their grounds. So that in case when we say your own side don't they red, they will dey there for you to lift you up. So come tell him mama say okay now truth. Now you talk so okay wait till now one may you do the come say don't when you senior for inside that one say one come abroad. He can say okay, he can stop the roofing of the house, he can gather money, he can take carry that your brother enter abroad. He say but now true Libya another one take enter and he just also the money give am. So that one join enter, that one know your take for road before you know wetin dey happen. Before 2 months he don already enter Europe. Then he can dey complete the house. Then he not say then mama come me. So as the mama come die, then he come say he no fit go house because during that time when mama take die, the business when they do, he get the way it be no fit comot at that time, and he no say to get a South Africa visa, e no easy. He say so he no come fit go house for him mama burial. I say now this is their last born. This guy one they see for pictures, so now be their last born. He say now he come dey house that time. That can be man wey dey house. He say come tell am say any money when they need, the things when they need, come send money. Now that one can't do senior work. Now him be the senior before. All the things when he supposed to do, the guy can't do everything, and he do and wear no wahala. They bury their mama wear and all that. Say come to say oh my brother, this work when you do, now me when be senior, now me supposed to do am. As you be say you do am for me, anything you want make I do for you, I go do for you, because you be really brother. You will be last born and you can't do senior thing. Say because that during that time when the mother said that the second one already they wrote for Libya, but he not tell her say see wetin dey happen. Now when that one don't enter Europe, before I can't tell her say see wetin dey happen, now that one come dey cry say oh like say no if I just go back, saying that making no tell her. He said so that their mama can't die because this is their last born. Now their mama they stay with. Now he can say okay what you go do now to go Lagos, go stay with one of our sister. He can't go stay with one of their sister for Lagos. But as he can't date, he can't be say from trouble to trouble. Tomorrow he go kirikiri, tomorrow they arrest am, tomorrow na so trouble every time. Though they spend money wetin dey bail person, he come say when he dey Nigeria he no know wetin dem dey call police station. Why be say every time you always dey enter trouble? E come say okay, since mama don already talk say make I take care of you, I go take care of you. Which kind business you wan do so that I go fit assist you? He say na he come talk say this one wey dey talk so 2017 o. He say come talk say wetin business wey he wan do, he no wan do business since his brother don dey Europe, he wan see come Europe. He come say okay, because his sister wey even dey stay with don tire, wey be say e dey run up and down pillar to pole for brother. Tomorrow your brother do this one, next tomorrow your brother do this one. And they say make dem kukuma carry am comot for the country, make e come Europe, make e come see as life be. He say come say okay, no problem. As e be say that first one wey dem fit carry go, that one no hard, e just enter quick. He think say na so this one go be. He no know say this one journey e go tire apa. He start to just enter. Now there he start to dey spend money wey he spend, wey he take from Libya enter Europe, wey be say most people dey spend 500,000, 400,000. He spend more than 2 million for this his brother. Na so they hold am for water side o. Na so they shoot gun meet am for leg o. Na so nurse wey dey come dey treat am, dey say na so amount he want to dey take o. That is he said the way he continue dey spend money, he said but he ready to spend the money, and he thank God say the money still dey that time, because na the tax wey mama give am say abeg your younger ones no leave them. He say so he come dey spend the money. He say last he come fit enter house, but wetin kill money e no kill life. He say no be anything. As he come enter Europe, he come dey happy say thank God o, he don enter Europe. He say so he come dey Europe, now he come see call am say they don give am document. So he say he come see dey follow am dey happy say oh thank God o, they don give you document. He say for him things just dey go on with am. He don do many things for house, his business dey go fine. Then he come tell this his brother say okay, make you find work. Now his brother say na work na he dey find. Say one day they just call am say his brother dey kolo, say he go just dey SARS. He go say word dey talk for ear, word dey talk for ear, go dey knack word, they dey talk for ear. He say they come say wetin come dey happen. Say na so they come carry am go hospital. Na so they dey give am all those big injection, you know, when they give people when their head dey kolo. He say now he come tell they say make dem no dey give am injection. Say because him mama tell am say too much of medicine for body e no good. All this injection wey dey give this brother, so make e no come affect am. Then they say make e fair well first. If e don well, before they know whether they go reduce the injection or no. He say na so he can't even ask that his brother when he first comot for the first time. He can't call that one. He can't ask that one say call that one. He can't say me still can't greet you. He say when he can't greet that one, then that one can't tell am say this our brother. He not normal. He head he not correct. You understand? He say he not normal. He say his head not correct. He say because see the way he take dress, see his head for head. He say they do like people when he dey kolo. He say he not just dey normal at all. Now they come, they say wetin come dey do am, wetin come dey do am. People come dey talk say e no normal. Before you know wetin dey happen, they no come see this their brother again. Now be why they come say they find out till today now. They no know where he dey. He don call house. Where he dey, his brother don find out. Brother wey still dey Italy don find out. He say he no see am. He say come do visa for one of his sister for instance. I say okay, make he come Italy, make he come find this his brother. They no gree give am visa, they deny am visa. Because he say okay, since they deny you 3 times and the money they spend, make they don't want still do visa, whether they will give am, make he come Italy, come find his brother. They still deny that his sister visa. He don't know where he want go again. That his brother wey dey Europe for here, that one don dey try his best to find this his brother. They no fit see am. He say he cautious, he no let am rest. He say because na the task wey mama give am before him mama die, say take care of your younger ones. He say every time if he dey sleep, na so that him mama voice e dey hear for ear say take care of your younger one, find your younger one, no leave your younger one like that. He no know where he wan find am go. He don tire. Say as he dey watch this our program, now he still come say okay, abeg Lady T, make you still put am for your show. If maybe through this program person go see waka come see am, the person go fit talk say okay, he know where he dey. He say because anybody wey fit see this his brother, because this thing don dey heavy, he no dey sleep for night, he dey get sleepless night because of him mama voice wey dey hear every time say find your brother, take care of your brother. He dey get sleepless night. He say anybody wey fit see this his brother, say see where e dey, dem fit locate am anywhere e dey. E say go put the person on monthly salary, or wetin the person want make e do for am, e go do am for am. Abeg, anybody. So mona look the guy well. Anybody wey fit locate this guy, talk say see where this guy dey, e say e go put am for monthly salary. E say e Facebook name na Ademe Wizzy. Ademe Wizzy na be e Facebook name. Then e real name na God's Time Adoye. God's Time Adoye. E Facebook name na Ademe Wizzy, while e real name na God's Time Adoye na be e real name. So abeg, na the last picture wey e take for e Facebook 2018 na be this one. And e Facebook, e never even open am. E never enter Facebook for a very long time. They never hear from am. They no know where e dey. They don go Questoria police office for Italy to see whether they fit know am, to no avail. They no even know e whereabout at all. Because they say e just come dey waka. Even the camp wey e dey sef, they no even know e whereabout, but they give am document. So abeg, my people, if you see this boy, you know am, you don see am with your eye, you know where e dey, anywhere you know say e dey. Maybe himself e lose contact with the family, no know as e wan take get them. Abeg, make una just call my number down there. My number na 0039 3512852063. So you just drop a message for me na WhatsApp call, no direct call, WhatsApp call or voice note, or you just write message for me. I will get back to you. I will give you the contact of the senior brother so that you will feel now fit talk am, because he say go put the person on monthly salary or anything the person wants. He say because this thing don dey heavy am, e don dey heavy, e no dey fit sleep. E be like say mama voice dey talk to am, because na task wey mama give am before mama die, say take care of your younger ones. He say right now he don dey okay, he don get money, he don dey okay. Now to come marry born pikin now they say, but he dey fear to marry born pikin, because anything wey make am marry come born pikin now, this his brother, if he come forget about am, but he no fit continue his life and leave his brother like that, because now the task wey mama give am na be this one. So if he come start to dey born the children, now if he no come get interest again for this his brother body, that's why he wan quick make sure say he find this his brother before he go settle down. Say okay, he wan marry, he wan begin dey born he pikin. Say because every time mama dey come for am for dream, say where your younger ones wey I put for your hand, say make you take care of, where your younger ones. Now this one be the matter wey be say dey disturb our brother for mind. Oh, na he carry come now. No say this our channel, wetin dey bother you for mind, the thing wey dey chop you, wey be say e no let you vomit come out, na we dey talk for this our channel. Na make am break am come, because they say a problem solved is a problem half solved. So if you dey watch me now, abeg help this our brother, share this video so that e go fit reach the people wey know this guy whereabout, so that they fit get to the family. Say okay, I know where una brother dey, you fit reach where they dey. Abeg do this one, because this guy now, if you maybe you're dey one place now, they chop amala with pepper soup, you no know wetin you go do. Or sometimes I know say for this Italy here, they get one place where they call underground, that they mostly they put people wey be say that they sick, or that they colo, or just put them for there. People will even say these people, they not dey life again, they don't me. But I don't know where that underground dey. As I don't take reach for this country, I don't know where underground dey, but I know say underground dey, because there was one lady that time wey be say e don take one see her, she come talk say she stay underground for 2 years before they come free and say she don dey okay, she come comot. E say many black people dey there, but I know that time e don see tey, so I no too much hassle about that underground and where e dey. But according to her, e say underground dey many places. They say one dey Torino, one dey Napoli. Na so she talk that time, but I no really know where this underground dey. If not, I for say okay, make people still go search each underground to know where e dey. But I know say underground dey this country, when they put people wey be say they dey sick, their sickness dey serious well, or they colo. So now by luck, now they say they come out or they treat them for there. And some people, their family no know their whereabouts, and they know they allow them use phone for there. So now wetin me get to talk be this one. So my people, I beg, if you watch this video, not just watch alone, be your brother's keeper. Please share this video so that it will reach the person hand. Thank you so much. God bless you for watching. Bye bye. And please, if you have not subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, click the notification bell so you can watch more of our videos, or you will just know anytime we put video for here. If you get anything where they bother you for mind, you see they chop you, you don't know what to do, our number there is down there below. Just call us and we will be there for you. But if you want to call us, don't call us on direct call. Only weekend now our direct call they go. You can send us a voice note, or you text us on WhatsApp call. Thank you so much. Thank you. Please share this video and put that like button. As you do that, Almighty God will bless you in Jesus' name. Amen. Thank you. Bye. See you on our next video.
If there is anything that is bothering you, my friend, please say it so others will learn. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will be your strength. Bring it to True Dreams with Lady T, and God will see you through.